Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mandy. Thank you for coming. Today we are going to be doing an Ipsy unbagging. It is the Ipsy Glam Bag. This one is $10 a month and it generally comes around the second week of the month. And they are doing the add-on things with these now on the second. And you can get things for $3 or $12 and they will come with your bag. I highly suggest these bags for people that are, experienced in makeup and love to try new things, because you get 5 to 6 sample sizes, deluxe sizes. I have seen full sizes in this bag for only $10 a month. And I have been getting this bag for a very long time. I definitely recommend, if anybody's going to get a subscription box, it would be this, because this is awesome. Anyway, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. So this is the June box bag, and it is stuck in there. And I got one of these in my Glam Plus bag, so I'm a little upset about that. I wish it was within reach so I could compare it, because I bought one of these. And now that I got one too, don't know if I'm going to give that away or if it's the same one. You know what? It's not, because I think the other one was purple, so this one is different. It was purple. All right, so this is a different brush, so I will keep this. So it's another blending brush from the Tetris line, which I really enjoyed on the Glam Plus box, if I can talk today. And like I said on that one, this is a little flimsy. It's plasticky. It's not the best feeling brush, but they're very soft and nice, and it's a blending brush, and that's all that matters, is if it works. So we'll see about those. So that would be the first item that I pulled out. Now let's see if there's a paper. Oh, that was outside of the bag, so I'm glad I got that. And Ipsy had like 5 different bags, even probably more this month, and I got the bluish purple one, which I kind of wanted this one, so I'm kind of happy about that. And yeah, I just really like it. It's got like a little design on it. It's got the Ipsy tag on it. And it's got a little Tetris piece here, which is so darn cute. I love it. I used to love playing Tetris as a kid, and I still do. So anyway, when you open the bag, this is what it looks like. It's so cute. Has Tetris written inside the bag. That's adorable. I did not see that on any spoilers. That's so cute. And we've got a little card, and it is the same kind of theme for the Ipsy Glam Plus that it is for this. So it's welcome to the block party, and it says, we're kicking off summer bright. Think rainbow hued glam bags stacked with vibrant shadows, shimmering gloss, megawatt highlighters, and more. We even teamed up with Tetris to create an exclusive makeup collection that's bursting with color. Ready to play? And then hashtag Ipsy block party. Those lipstick nudes are very pretty. I really like those. All right, so anyway, and on the back it says score Glam Bag Plus is here, which we already know. I like how that is. I'm sorry if you hear any background noise. There are people out in the other room. Anyway, there is a list of what you get in your bag. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing I'm pulling out is a company I've never heard of. And where are you? I'm going to butcher this because I don't know how to say it. But that is the product. It's kind of cute packaging. I like the pink bottom. Alright, so it says S-O-R-O-C-I. Not sure how to pronounce that. Soruk. I'm not even going to try. And then, of course, the second word, look, I don't know, L-Y-C-O-M-A-T-O. There is, as if it's going to focus, what that is. And it says, Sriracha, sources pure natural ingredients like shea butter and apricot kernel oil in their skincare. This sleeping mask nourishes your skin overnight so you wake up glowing. Because it's silicone free, it absorbs easily and won't leave a mess on your pillow. That's cool. I do like sleeping masks a lot. It says it's 15 grams. It is sealed. And let's see if it has a good, nice scent to it. And it feels full. Like, it really does feel full. So this feels like a really nice deluxe sample, for sure. Let's see. So, nice creamy texture. That is what the product looks like. Let's get the lid back on it so I'm not spilling stuff. And it's not very scented. No, I take that back. It is scented. But it's not a bad scent. It's a clean scent. Maybe a little hint of floral, but it rubs right in just like it says. Very nice. I'm sure you can see where I've rubbed it in, but it is very nice. I do like that. All right, so pulling the next item out, and no, this is actually the new one. I do have this because I got it as a sample from Sephora when I ordered my Urban Decay palette. You see it there? $29, you guys, $29. And the chocolate gold palette right there, I think they were both like $29 or something. That was amazing. I couldn't believe it. So I went ahead and ordered those. So anyway, this is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Hyaluronic Hydrating Primer. Helps your makeup last longer and look better. This oil-free primer combines the power of super hydrating hyaluronic acid, soothing colloidal, I don't know. We all know I can't pronounce anything. Oatmeal and light diffusing micropearls to nourish and brighten your skin and lock your look in place. I did not try this yet. I do have it sitting on my makeup table, but I have not actually tried it. This one is not sealed, but it's just a little primer, and it does say it is 0.34 ounces, 9.6 grams. That is what it looks like. I didn't want to waste a bunch of product. Has a coconut smell for sure. Definitely coconut smell. And then it rubs right in, and it is a hydrating primer, so it should work just like my the Tarte base tape one that I love so much. All right, moving on. This is, I don't know if I've heard from this company or not. It is Sugar Cosmetics Contour Deforce Mini Highlighter in Champagne Champion. This India-based brand believes in products that help express your unique beauty. The Champagne Gold Highlighter is richly pigmented, lightweight, and will enhance your natural complexion to give you a subtle glow all over radiance. Okay, I love the packaging. It's super cute. I love the black and the purple. And then you just push it out. How do you open it? Yeah, it's just pushed out. Okay. Here's the end pack or outer packaging, and then it looks like that. Very cute. Oh, I just lost a little thing. You open it up. No mirror, but that's okay. And then there is your highlighter. Very, very pretty. Let's do a swatch. Doesn't have a scent to it. There is your highlighter. I love my highlighters. Oh, that's nice and soft and pretty. Yeah, I like that. Give that a shot for sure. Okay, I like that. Wipe that off. All right, and we are down to the last product, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, this is the last one. All right, so this is, I love this brand. I've used all of the last stuff that they've sent to me. And this is Hey Honey. I have not used this one because this says it is Sweet Treat Wild Berry and Honey Yogurt Recover Mask. So I've used just the Hey Honey. I think it was a honey one. I don't remember. But it was not a berry one. So this says, Hey Honey infuses the antibacterial and antiseptic benefits of honey and propolis into their products. The pink antioxidant rich mask is made with vitamin E, wild berry oil, and honey to help protect your skin, restore elasticity, and provide long-lasting hydration. And this says that there's a tip for it, and it says apply an even layer over your face and neck. Let it sit for 10 to 20 minutes while it soaks in your skin, and then wipe it off. I like that. That's nice. 0.5 fluid ounces. It feels pretty full. Let's see if it's sealed and if it smells good. It is sealed. And let's see if I can get it open. Maybe, maybe not. Okay. It doesn't want to open. See, that's the only problem about not editing videos, because you can't. Sorry, I gotta use my teeth. You can't, I still can't get it. You can't edit this kind of stuff out. But it's okay. We got it. Just use my knife. Let's see. I didn't get it all the way off. As you can see, there's still half of it there, but let's just see what the product is like. It is, you can definitely see there's like a little bead in there, I guess for the exfoliating purpose of it. And it is a pink tint. So let's see. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like you can eat it. Oh my goodness. All right, so there is that right there, rubbed out. And it smells so good, you guys. All right, so not too bad for a $10 bag. Like I said, this is a way to try new products and see how you feel about them. And you also get a nice bag every month with this. So let's recap on what we've got in our bag. So we got a brush. Brushes are always great. You can put in your profile whether you want brushes or not. And then we've got, I'm sorry, I just looked, I thought I wasn't recording the whole time. I was getting ready to get upset. We've got a highlighter that is really nice and pretty. Is it still there? Yeah. Very stunning. We've got the Hey Honey, which is a good product I love and I've used and I will use again. We've got this new product that I'm not, Srochi, I don't know, that I'm going to give a shot. I love sleeping masks. I use the glow mask a lot. And then we've got First Aid Beauty, something we all know and love. So for $10, that's, and I'm throwing it at you, that, to me, that's a really good deal. Like, I think that this is awesome. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments of this bag. Did you get any of the same products that I did? And we'll talk about it down there. And as for the next couple of videos, I am going to be wearing the same stuff because I'm just going to try to record everything all together today and then just release videos through the week so you guys have stuff. And also don't forget to leave me ideas on what kind of videos to do in between the unboxing videos. So thank you again, you guys, for coming. I appreciate it so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave me a comment. It helps so much. You have no idea. And I will see you in the next one, you guys. Have a fantastic day. Bye.